Oftentimes when you're on the road, there's not a great place to utilize MoonShade's included stakes. The ground might be rocky, or you might be tailgating on asphalt.
So we're going to show you 2 different options for setting up your MoonShade on hard ground.
First, we'll show you how you can suction the support pole to the side of your vehicle. But it's important to note that this can only be done if the shade is set up with the 9-foot side anchored to the vehicle.
First, remove the rubber feet from the bottom of the support poles.
Grab 2 small suction cups and unscrew the nut on the suction cups.
Insert the bolt through the hole at the bottom of the support pole.
Screw the nut back onto the bolt.
Suction to the side of the vehicle, ensuring that the surface is clean, dry, and flat.
For additional wind support, you can utilize the rims of your vehicle or something heavy like sandbags or weights.
When doing this style setup, it can be helpful to use these cam jams on your guy lines for easy tensioning.
The second way to set up your MoonShade on hard ground is to use the support pole as usual, but utilize a weight or sandbag to secure the support pole. That's everything you need to know about setting up your MoonShade on hard ground.
If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our customer support team at support@moonfab.com. Thank you for watching.